In this video tour, I'm going to show you the wheat cleaning and wheat flour making process inside the factory. The process starts with loading the wheat sacks by truck in the factory. After that, the wheat sacks are opened manually. Then, the wheat is filled into the silo of the factory for further processing. Next, the wheat is passed on for the cleaning process by elevator. Now, the wheat is cleaned by the machine, where impurities are removed. Also, cleaning is performed here inside the machine to remove any stray wheat ears. Afterwards, any stones or pebbles are separated by machine. At this stage, on the gravity table, the light substances are removed and the wheat is separated. After that, the sorting process is performed here. Now we see the processed clean wheat is ready. Then, the cleaned wheat is filled into printed sacks by machine. In the end, the wheat is weighed here. Next, the wheat sacks are sealed. Now, the packed wheat is ready and sent on for flour making. On the other side of the factory, wheat flour is made. The process starts by feeding the cleaned wheat into an automatic flour mill. After that, the wheat is crushed into a mill and wheat flour is made. Now, the wheat flour sack is filled. After a while, the weighing process is performed. And here, the wheat flour sacks are sealed by machine. As well as that, the wheat flour is also packed into small packets. Then, the small packets are sealed by machine. Finally, the wheat flour is ready to make roti and packets are sent for dispatch.